All right, hello, you guys. Got another law of attraction video for you guys. Hello, how you doing? Okay, honey. So if you like me scratching up the scratch out tickets and everything, go ahead and follow the Getyojuju channel. Subscribe to that and everything. Give you tips. I won thousands of dollars with these scratch offs because of my law of attraction methods. Okay, honey. Now let's get started, honey. All right, honey. I had a saying, honey. Sometimes you gotta use what you have, honey, and you'll find out you have it, honey. Okay. I got a saying, honey. You gotta do this with. We got 13, no 13. 19, no 19. We got 22, no 22. We got 35, no 35. And you know what helps is to watch videos like this. 23, no 23. All the time. You know, it's really mesmerizing to watch people scratch off tickets. But it does something to your spirit. Like it makes you want to play. You know, give yourself a chance to win. I see it's very addicting to watch people scratch off tickets. That's why I noticed that they get a lot of views. We got a 46, no 46. We got a 36, 36. You know, it's like you program yourself to get money. Number 3. Ooh, I wish I got that 3 because it look like, ooh, that's the big number, honey. That's the big money right there. Oh, Lord. Oh, thank you, Jesus. You're going to give me that big money. We got a 56, no 56. We got 42, no 42. Got a 49 over there. I just hate when they be close to the number. You got a 54, no 54. Wait a minute. No, we got a 51 and a 59. Got a 47. Nope, we got a 49. All right. We got a 15. No 15. Got a 51. 38. No 38. We got 33. We got a 58. Nope, 51 and 59. See, don't you hate when they do that? Don't you just hate? You might as well just give me that number. All right, we got number 11. And here's our last number, which is something we don't have, which is a 6. Okay. So, okay, let me check, honey. We got 25 and 25 on here. We got 25 on here. 25, no 25. So, I like to do like a little check. 51, because last video, honey, I was a little embarrassed. I missed the cabin, honey. No 51, 26, 26, no 26. It looks like 49. Let's do a check. 49, and we're gonna get more proficient at this as it's got a 46, but no 49. Got a 2 on here. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. We got 3. No number 2. No number 2. 59. Do we have 59? Do you guys see a 59? Comment below. Do you see a 59? Okay, we got a 58, 53, 59 spirit. Is there 59 over here? Why you didn't give me the 59 spirit? So it looks like this is not a winning ticket. And I always like to find the barcode. Okay, where's the barcode? Barcode. It should be on the bottom, right? The bottom. There it is. I always like to scratch off the barcode just to check and everything, just to check. So I just wanted to get rid of this ticket because I thought about getting, I like to move on spirit. I thought about a lottery ticket and I didn't even scratch this off. So this is scratched off and, I'm gonna be led to my other ticket. I let spirit move me and that's how it leads you to your winning ticket. Okay, honey? And that's how you keep winning. Okay, so let me check. Cause this might be a winning ticket. Maybe them symbols may be within it. Okay, honey. But anywho, this has been a $500,000 extreme cash, honey. So this was fun. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you give me a like button, let me know if you like content like this. honey. And you about to get your coins, honey. Your money coming in. Okay, honey, the money is coming in. Spirit's gonna lead you to your winning tickets. I believe that. Okay, honey. I'll talk to you later. Peace.